Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Farr from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 5th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at how the market did today. Well, very much green, as you can see on the right side of my screen here. The Dow up 97 points. More importantly, and I'm going to show you one other chart first, and that's NVDA. NVDA led the way today. It went screaming higher, topped the 3 trillion mark, most valuable company on the exchange now, and just doesn't seem to want to slow down. So that dragged everything with it. The S&P 500 up over 60 points, hitting a new high, and same with the Nasdaq, up almost 400 points, fresh new all-time high, while the Russell and the small caps up 31 points. Looking at crude oil, it was higher by over 1% today, a bit of a rally after pretty horrible last week. Gold up almost 26 points there today, back up above the 20. Silver finishing at 30.10 here, up half a point. Bond yields lower, and the dollar slightly higher, sitting at 104.31. Now, Bank of Canada actually cut rates. They're the first G7 country to cut rates. That's something that may have played a bit of a role here. Everyone's really looking for a rate cut, and they're the first. We'll see what the Fed does next. Obviously, the June meeting, highly expected to keep rates the same, but maybe in the months ahead, we'll get something as well. We'll have to see. But one trade to look at here, an easy one to pull out. We have several to review today, but an easy one is XLK, the ETF for the tech sector. Obviously, a number of those tech stocks leading the way here, and here's a nice reentry right along that upsloping 20, near the all-time high. Higher time frames are aligned. Obviously, we don't have to worry about earnings with this one. It's an ETF. Looking at the weekly, looking at the monthly, all looks really, really good here, and doing quite nice. And more importantly, what I really like about this trade is the amount of support behind it right here. So XLK, the technology sector, looking very, very good right now.